Welcome back, guys. So today I have a special unboxing for you guys to check this one out. This is AT&T prepaid. By the way, this is the first Nokia 3.1a with the 32GB of memory prepaid cell phone, black color. It is exclusive for AT&T. So this is my first pickup with the Nokia brand. Previously, I picked up like so many different kind of brand like LG, Samsung, ZTE, and Sony, and all other brands. So this first Nokia brand since I have that 8890, which is the slide down Chrome. Let me give you guys the spec real quick. This one has a quad-core 2 GHz with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 429 processor and 2 GB of RAM, and has the latest Android 9 Pie 4G LTE speed with the 5.45-inch IPS touch screen. It only has a 8.0 megapixel rear-facing camera and 5 megapixel selfie. Offers a 32 GB internal memory plus you get the micro SD slot, which is expandable up to 128 GB by adding the micro SD card, which is sold separately. Okay, and you could also use this smartphone as a hotspot. Come with the 2990 megahertz battery and power adapter. So let's go ahead and show you guys the box real quick. So it says unlimited high-speed data with $50 a month. It says automatic discount, regular $65. So you gotta have an auto pay plan. So it says Nokia contents as a 3.1a, and then lithium-ion battery, which is non-removable. Come with a travel charger, and then Type-C USB cable, pre-installed AT&T prepaid, and SIM card, and quick start guide, AT&T prepaid plan terms, safety and warranty informations. So let's go ahead and pull this tab to open. Oh, I'll show you guys real quick. So currently those are the plan. So I believe you only get the $15 if you $15 discount if you choose with the auto pay plan. It says 65, so the old plan is $55 if you do the auto pay, which is only $10 discount. So this time around, I guess they give you a $15 discount, but I'm not sure about the mid plan and the lowest plan. You might want to go and then check on AT&T.com for the recent plan. So it says HD plus 18:9 ratio display, large 5.45, 8 megapixel rear facing camera with the LED flash, 5 megapixel front facing. So here is a smartphone. Let's go ahead and remove this. Got this plastic cover on the front. Wow, looks pretty good. And it has a weight to it, okay? By the way, they advertise this phone could last up to 2 days. So I'm going to give it a try and check it out. So you got the 8 megapixel with the LED flash. I believe that's a speaker grill. And you got the AT&T logo right there, Nokia. And you got your microphone, USB Type-C, charging port right there. So there's no button on the left-hand side. And there's your additional microphone right there. I guess for the noise cancellation. And your 3.5 millimeter jack for your headphones. So you got the volume rocker up and down, and then your power button right there. And then that's it. Let's go ahead and peel this sticker off. And now power it back on. So it says powered by Android and then Nokia. Let's go ahead and show you guys what else is included. Ooh, pretty loud, eh? And you got the AT&T start guide right here, quick start guide. And then I'm not sure, this is probably a quick instruction or user guide. So there's your front camera right there. Alright, so you could open the back cover, and then the memory card, and then the SIM card is behind the cover. Let's go ahead and do that. And then this is safety and warranty guide or instruction. And come with this charging brick. Use your USB port right there to plug in your cable. So this one is pretty good. It's a support 5 volt 2 amp, which is fast charging, and then made in China. And here is your Type-C, USB Type-C charging cable. So let's go ahead and pop the cover open. Alright, so in case, that's why I have a long nail, you could pop this open as like a prying tool. A lot of viewers are questioning me, why do I have long nails? So mainly that's a reason for repair and then opening up the back cover like this, okay? So here is the SIM card, and then the memory card goes on the top. So it is stackable. So this battery is non-removable, okay? So be sure not to remove it unless you probably open up all those screws in the future in case your battery wears out, and then you get to replace it. But you got to take apart all those screws. And there is your water damage sticker right there. It is white right now, so in case you get wet, it's going to turn into pinkish or red color, okay? So let's go ahead and put the cover back up. So the back cover, it is flexible, okay? So be sure to insert the top in first in the angle. There you go. Because there's like a clips right here that you need to clip into those holes in an angle like that. And then just snap it in slowly from the top. Oops. From the top down, okay? And make sure you snap in. There you go. Okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. And I will be doing like a in-depth full review for this phone later on. So this phone just got released. So anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.